How to redirect your website in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Now click this Site Redirection icon. This is the interface where you can create new redirects and manage existing ones. Click Create New Redirect button. Enter the URL of the page you wish to redirect away from. Select the redirect type from the drop-down list, keeping in mind whether you want to redirect the above URL permanently or for a limited period of time. Then enter the destination URL of the page you want the visitors to be redirected to. When ready, click Create button. Success! We have set up the redirect URL. We can delete or manage this redirect from this interface. We will learn about it in other tutorials. Thank you for watching.